In short video, I want to share with you about how to create point on plane from Polyline on section view. You can see on the Polyline on section view, and we want to create point on plane from this Polyline on section view, and we click VT tool A and click to label and click the points from section, and we select style cover point and click the label style cover point. I click the elevation only and description for cover point, and we have to choose Polyline or section view. I click Polyline, and if you want to create label for Polyline, elevation for Polyline, we check create label and pick location, and I click accept, and I choose select all section view to create cover point. And if you want to select all, I click enter, and you can see the table total cover point to create section view, ID, position, elevation, and scale, number left, number cover point left, and number right, and total. And I click accept. You can see the label text on Polyline, and I click right click zoom to symbolize, and you can see the cover point create on plane. And let me check on two view. And I click zoom to section view, and you can see the number one. I check the cover point 11, and let me see 11. Point number point number 17. You can see the 18, and click the point number 18, point number 19, and the elevation 34, and I will check on the section. I check the distance on the section. Offset elevation, you can see the elevation 1134, and I check the order number one offset elevation. I check the 17. You can see the offset 13 15. Okay, and I check the distance. You can see the check on plane.